good politicians also.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc President Vincent H. Pala emphasized the critical need for a clear mandate in the upcoming MDC elections to facilitate effective policy decisions. Confident in the Congress Party's prospects, he highlighted its strong grassroots presence and deep connection with the people of Meghalaya. Discussing Congress's role in the District Council, Pala clarified that the party's involvement was aimed at safeguarding amendments to the 6th schedule and preventing adverse influences on Meghalaya's interests.
I should appreciate the hard work of our Congress workers at the grassroots level, at the block level. So many of our friends also said if the Congress can give us a good candidates, we'll go back to the Congress. So we are trying to see that whomever we put as a candidate, as far as practicable, the candidate has a clean image. It's not like people say in the council, any Vitam country can be a candidate. And I'm very confident this time we will do well. I think we'll be, from all the party, the Congress will be the best this time.